Today we're going to go through the 3M Performance Spray Gun Fine Finish Kit, and we're going to run through the contents as well as the assembly of the spray gun. You're going to notice as soon as you open the box, the first thing you'll see is the Performance Spray Gun itself. Along with, under that, once you open the flap, you'll see all three tip sizes for fine finish nozzles, which include the 1.2, 1.3, and 1.4 tip sizes. You'll also see the PPS, which has the hard cup for a standard size, along with 5 liners and 5 lids, with 4 of those being 200 micron and 1 at 125 micron. You'll have sealing plugs for the PPS as well, along with a supplied air gauge, a replacement locking collar, along with a quick start guide and manual, which helps you with the steps for assembly, along with some settings to get started. Next, we'll go through the assembly of the spray gun. First, you're going to take your spray gun, remove that foam protecting the needle, set that aside, and then select the right tip size for the job. In my case, I chose a 1.3. Now to assemble that onto the spray gun, start with the locking ring in the position that accepts the nozzle, which is a plus sign, and then slide that nozzle over the needle, bottoming it out like so. It helps hold that trigger at this point. And then lock that locking collar all the way to the stop, rotate it until it makes an X, and then that's secured and you can release the trigger. Next, we'll set up the PPS cup. Starting with the hard cup, you're going to first grab your liner and slide that into the cup. And at this point, you'd mix your coating. So put in all your components and mix that up thoroughly, and there are convenient mix ratios right on the cup to do that. Once that's mixed, you can select the right lid for the job, meaning the filter mesh you'll need, and align one of the locking collar tabs with the viewing window of the PPS cup before you press down firmly, and then rotate that to secure it. Now that your cup is ready to go, you'll grab your performance spray gun by the atomizing head and connect that to the cup, ensuring you get all 4 points connected. You'll also need to attach the supplied air gauge or your favorite regulator at this point. It's good to hand thread that on, and then go ahead and grab just one wrench. You don't need to over tighten this at all, so just be gentle with that. And if you have any sort of quick connect fitting for your air line, for your air supply, you thread that on as well and give that a quick snug. Once you've got it assembled, you can flip it over and you're ready to spray.